I think it's really important to have tools like Simularium and the other tools that are generated by the Allen Institute for our field, because we care a lot about making science that's reproducible. And in that sense, you want other people to be able to replicate exactly what you've done. And that means that the data needs to be shareable, and that means that data that's generated by expert tools, like software, is accessible to other people so that they can visualize it. And tools like Simularium, for example, make that possible. It has allowed us to take different types of simulations. We simulate virus assembly and remodeling. So far, my students have used it to show me what is going on in their simulations, but we also have collaborators who are in very different time zones. And if I send them a movie and then they say, well, could you change the way it looks because it's hard for us to understand? If I send them an interactive file, then they can do that themselves. They can zoom in and zoom out and turn things on and off. If we want our science to be more reproducible and to be more accessible, especially biologists who are maybe not used to running sort of sophisticated computer simulations, especially when you add in the spatial dimension, if we want them to be able to use this software, which we do, then we want it to be easier for them to use. So it's very important to minimize the barriers to even sharing files and visualization tools. Tools like these are going to have a big impact on the field. People need to be able to show their results, and it's much more compelling in a lot of ways than just showing bar graphs. And they create predictive models that can then be tested by experimentalists.